One of the main reasons we do the primary series is essentially this movement here, this rolling backwards and forwards. Many of you will recall that when you started, it was not possible to smoothly roll backwards and forwards like this without making a bit of a slapping sound. One of the main things we want to do here is be able to be in the fetal position, even when it's upside down, sideways, standing, all these kinds of permutations on the concept. And then it's like a crunching thing as well. You'll see that this is kind of like shoulder stand. It's also like the poses at the end of the primary series. The ability to, without using your hands, take your legs up into the air, control the movement. See, when I rolled down then, I didn't come down really suddenly with a slap. It's a controlled movement. Stretch the legs up, be tall, come down with control. This is well worth practicing at some point, in the primary series, if it's at the end or before the wheels, any position at all, really. The reason we want to do it is to stretch out the back, obviously, and the crow that we do in the second series is one of the ways that we sort of show it off. So obviously, being able to do this is pretty fun. You'll see my back is quite round there. This is using back strength and back flexibility. And then the icing on the cake, presumably, would be to jump into crow, which uses all the strength we've built up in the jump backs. Ta-da! Again, a rounded spine here. Belly squeezed in, flexible back muscles. Lift up again. Whoa. So check whether you are rushing through your jump backs. The effort you're putting into them pays dividends years down the track.